To make a potato salad without using potatoes to feed 1,000 people, you can substitute the potatoes with a vegetable like cauliflower or turnips. Here's the recipe. Ingredients: 100 heads of cauliflower or turnips cut into small florets or cubes, 100 cups of mayonnaise, 50 cups of diced pickles, 50 cups of diced onions, 50 cups of diced celery, 50 cups of diced bell peppers, salt and pepper to taste. Optional mustard, vinegar, or other seasonings for added flavor. Instructions: 1. Steam or boil the cauliflower or turnips until they are tender but still firm. 2. Drain the cooked cauliflower or turnips and allow them to cool completely. 3. In a large mixing bowl combine the mayonnaise, pickles, onions, celery, bell peppers, salt, and pepper. Add any optional seasonings if desired. 4. Gently fold in the cooled cauliflower or turnips until they are evenly coated with the dressing. 5. Adjust the seasoning if needed, and refrigerate the potato salad for at least an hour before serving.